Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As most of you are not subscribed, leave a comment. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you know anytime that I go live. Okay, today we have a garlic herb chicken rotini. First thing you want to do is start your water for the pasta, salt it, and take the obligatory minute off of the minimum cooking time on the pack. This is a real simple, real easy dinner. It's fantastic to use up leftover chicken from the night before, or if you just grab like one of those cold rotisserie chickens at any Walmart, Target, or local grocery store. Fantastic. Start to finish for this, about 10 minutes. All right, as you can see here, over a medium-low heat, I got about a half a cup of olive oil, and I'm melting up 5 tablespoons of butter. And then it's time to add the herbs, which consist of 4 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, and then you just want to stir this around almost constantly and just let everything get married. And yeah, the only thing left to do now is just wait for the pasta to get done cooking, drain it, and we should be good to go. I would actually tone the heat down at this point to just low instead of medium low. Just, you don't want the butter to burn, obviously. And as you can see here, we have our Rotini pasta. And it's been drained. Again, never, ever, ever rinse your pasta unless you're making a pasta salad. And that's our chicken. Comes out to about a pound of cooked chicken. This was just leftover chicken from another dish. I believe the seasonings were butter, salt, and pepper for the chicken. And then obviously you see our herb, butter, oil sauce in there. I just chopped the chicken up into little bite-sized pieces. And we're going to continue to stir this until all of the rotini is coated. Everything is nice and happy. Last thing you need to add is 1/3 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't worry, there's enough residual heat in the pot and the pasta for it to melt. That's why I always say take it out a minute before the minimum cooking time, because there's enough residual heat in the pot and the pasta. It finishes that last minute of cooking. Unless you like your pasta a little softer, then by all means. All right, let's serve it up. And then we just want a nice little dusting of Parmesan cheese. And that's it. Garlic herb chicken rotini. Done.